What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we got something a little bit special today for the car. Oh, I took this off because I'm gonna be painting the screws the same color as the brake calipers. So we got the car jacked up now. So as you guys can see, rotor is on. Guess what? A Y-Pipe. We're gonna be installing the Y-Pipe finally after so long. I mean, you guys probably just saw the brake anyway, but we are finally installing our Y-Pipe. We have it right here. This is the Gemini Performance Y-Pipe. See, Gemini Performance. So I'm gonna take it out soon, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I just don't want it in the way, so I'm gonna leave it here for now. Oh, and we have another box. There's something in here that we gotta put on the car too, so it's pretty big, as you guys can see. I still gotta get that on. I've been having trouble taking that off, you know, or the shops, but might take it today. But yeah, so we got the Y-Pipe. We gotta install that. This is gonna be pretty hard to film because I don't have that much space. So right now I'm putting some WD-40. Leave it on for a little bit. That way I don't have too much problem, you know, taking it off. Oh look, my resonator. So a lot of you guys put this on, you know, because since I have it on and you guys heard the exhaust and all that, you guys can see here we got 3 more nuts or bolts, and then that's pretty difficult, but right there too. And then we take off the whole Y-Pipe. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let it sit for a little bit and we're gonna try to take it off. I will put the camera up, but the problem is I don't have that much space and it's gonna be in the way. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Here it is. So this is the Gemini Performance Y-Pipe. You see it there. Shout out to Adam for sending this. He did it real quick. I've actually had this for a while, several videos back. I just didn't get a chance to get it installed, but today that's what we're gonna be doing because the car is up anyways. Quality is so good. Like, I even like this little color thingy, whatever. Well, nobody will see it, but just me knowing that I have it. It came with some gaskets, came with whatever this is, and it came with new bolts. So that's always good because the ones under the car don't look too good, but they work. Anyways, we will put these on, and yeah, let's go. Trying to film the best I can with this tight space that I have here, which my arm can barely get through, but we loosened it up. Let's see if I can get it. So WD-40 did the work. That's loose. That's loose. So the whole thing is loose. Now let's try to take it off. So I'm gonna need both hands for this. So here it is as the bolt. Oh, this is, by the way, when you do this, it's a 15 mm. So 15 millimeter bolt. That's what holds it up in place. Now I'm gonna need both hands just so when this comes off I can grab it with my other hand and then use the impact. So I'll put the camera down, but I'll let you guys know when it comes down. It's very difficult, but this is where we're at. Look. So I already took it off. It's kind of shaky. That's the old one. So when you guys take it off, you will pretty much want to push it this way towards the engine and then get the screws here out. Once this gets out, be careful because the front will drop, and then it will drop, and once you drop it there, you will come to here. That's where the little hanger is, and you would just pull the hanger out and it'll come out. So that's what it is right here. And I got the Gemini pipe right here, so it's like pretty much the same. I'm trying to get it for you, pretty much the same thing. So let's go and install it right now. It did come with new gaskets, so let's put the gaskets on. Now, one thing I'm looking at is that you guys see this right here has 2 bolts, or 2 nuts, bolts, thingy, whatever, screws, and this one doesn't. Yeah, so we're gonna try to put it on and see what we are missing. Damn, my arm hurts. Jesus. Anyways, It's like halfway on. I'm still missing the back part right there. But guys, I decided these are the new ones that came with the Y-Pipe. I did not even use them because they struggled getting on the thread, so I didn't use them. I just reused the old ones. They're not bad, they're not rusty or anything, you know, obviously it's just weather. So I reused those, and then I reused the one in the top or in the front. I reused them because it's a lot better, at least for me. It's easier, you know, I can unscrew it and screw it with my hands, where the new ones I couldn't do that, they were just hard. So I went for simplicity, and I needed an alignment. I just saw that. But yeah, it's almost on. Honestly, I see the back. I don't think it comes with bolts in the back, so I don't know if I was supposed to use this one, but I'm gonna try to figure something out. The camera might be a little shaky, just because my hand is shaking of all the freaking, it's like cramped. It's like super cramped. But this is the old, I forgot the name, Y-Pipe. New Y-Pipe. So like I said, I reused the bolts, and look at it. Perfect. Alright, you see those bolts in the back? I don't really want to get in the car again. I mean, under the car, because this is a bitch to get out of. You see those bolts? I used the new ones that came with the Y-Pipe. So I'm out of breath, and I'm gonna tell you guys, be careful with those bolts, tightening them, because I was kind of tightening them, and I think we're almost thought that I felt that thing go from tightening to loosening. So I thought I was gonna snap it off. I think this one hangs a little lower, so if you guys are low, like super low, I'd say be careful. I think this part is lower than the stock one, but I tightened everything. I kind of put this back just because I don't want it around my garage, so I kind of put it back here. But most likely this piece, you're gonna have to take it off and just remove it completely. See, I put my back kind of right here. Plus, if you guys can see, I scrape, so it's like scrape right there, and I'm just gonna protect my Y-Pipe. So I'm just gonna turn it on right now, see how it sounds. Alright, you guys saw that? It's right now. It's actually. So that's it. I don't think it's leaking. Right now it's just burning off the grease. I forgot to clean it up. So just a little smoke. And that's because of the grease when I'm touching it and all that. It's burning it off. There's no leaks, no nothing as far as I know. It's loud. Yeah, it's a lot louder. The car is definitely louder, and it pops. So we're gonna take it on a test drive and see how it is. sounds. Oh shit, it pops like crazy. Oh hell yeah. Alright guys, so let's take it out for a drive. Let's see how she goes. Everything is perfect. We just gotta put this piece on. You guys see, it goes straight into the cold air intake, and I kind of cleaned it off, whatever. So you just gotta put this back on, just like that. I tried to clean this, but couldn't do it. Look what we did. We painted it the same color as the brakes. So let's try to not ruin it. Go slow. It's a nice little touch, nothing too crazy. All right guys, so we got the Y-Pipe, we got this. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Oh wait, let me show you the other mod. Hold up. Other mod coming in 3, 2, 1.